And this video I will show you how you to cancel AutoDS subscription. So first what you want to do is sign on your AutoDS account and then go to your profile by clicking on the top right and go to account setting. Now from here click on setting, and once you're in your setting go to account and billing. Now from the account and billing button right you will see the option to cancel your account, and you want to click on cancel account, then give them a reason. For example, I will say this not fit my need then, and click next. Now you can write something here. Now you can choose to get extra 50 days of AutoDS for free, switch monthly plan. But if you don't want to do any of this click on continue to account cancellation, and then click on yes I am sure, and your account has been deleted. So click on, and now you want to build anymore, and you have deleted your account. Now if the 40 days for dollar trial was not long enough, then with link description you can also get 13 days free trial. That will give you a little bit more time to try it out. So I hope this kind of video helpful, guys.